Hi, I'm Jess Materna, Senior Product Marketing Manager at Litmus, and this is our Tech Talk. The ROI of email speaks for itself. On average, for every dollar brands spend on email marketing, they receive $42 in return. And with access to the right email insights, brands can further their email ROI by leveraging learnings from email to increase the effectiveness of their paid marketing efforts. So today I'm going to talk about how Litmus helps marketers boost marketing effectiveness with our industry-leading email workflow and collaboration solution. From pre-send campaign development and testing to post-send insights for future program optimization, our technology helps marketers increase subscriber engagement, collaborate more effectively across teams and technologies, and gain access to the email insights they need to drive success across their entire marketing portfolio. One of the key challenges marketers face is that we're living in a zero-patience economy. The average consumer sees more than 5,000 ads and marketing messages in a single day, and they're often so used to all that noise that they tune out the vast majority of it. Marketers need to find a way to cut through this clutter and get their message heard, but many struggle with limited resources and their competition fighting for attention from that same target audience. So how do marketers do this successfully? By putting email, their most dependable and measurable channel, at the center of their marketing strategy. Email is the most preferred platform for digital marketing, with 50% of consumers saying this is how they want to be contacted by brands. With many marketers facing resource and budget constraints and being asked to do more with less, it's more important than ever for them to get the most out of cost-effective channels like email. But creating great email is no easy task. The email production process can be long, cumbersome, and manual, with marketers juggling multiple technologies to get email out the door. In fact, it takes 53% of brands 2 weeks or longer to produce a single email because of these complicated and lengthy collaboration and review processes. Plus, every email has more than 15,000 potential renderings across devices and browsers. Broken emails can result in poor customer experiences and lost revenue. And ensuring emails render correctly is just half the battle. Your messages can't make an impact if they never reach the inbox, and 16% of legitimate marketing emails are caught in spam filters. And we also know hitting send isn't the end. Understanding subscriber behavior is key to optimizing the design and content of future emails, and even informing the strategy across more costly marketing channels, but over 70% of marketers say they can't measure email ROI well. With Litmus, marketers can overcome all of these challenges. Our all-in-one, easy-to-use solution helps marketing teams create emails that convert and gain the insights they need to increase overall marketing effectiveness. Litmus enables marketers to scale email development without adding resources or sacrificing quality. Our solution lets all team members produce great emails, no matter their technical skills, and thoroughly test to ensure they render well and have the best chance of breaking through the noise and engaging subscribers. Litmus helps teams shorten their email review process by consolidating feedback so they can collaborate more effectively across their entire organization. And with Litmus workflows in place, marketers have more time to focus on the campaign elements that matter and the decisions that drive conversions, so their emails can produce the best possible subscriber experience. Speaking of which, creating great customer experiences has been a core focus here at Litmus since our start in 2005, when 3 colleagues built a solution to address the painful process of cross-browser testing. Initial users loved it, and it wasn't long before new needs led to new requests, and capabilities expanded from websites to emails to insights that could be applied across marketing channels. And today, Litmus provides the leading optimization and collaboration solution for marketers, empowering teams of all sizes to garner more insights and value from their entire marketing mix by putting email at the center. More than 700,000 marketers across all industries, including 80% of the Fortune 100, rely on Litmus to test, analyze, and improve their email marketing programs. Our customers include companies like Oracle, ADP, JP Morgan Chase, Best Buy, Twitter, Adobe, Marriott, and more. And why do all these companies choose Litmus? Because Litmus helps them build, test, collaborate, and analyze emails in one centralized location. Our email builder is designed to fuel collaboration by letting email developers curate a library of reusable email templates that any of their teammates, regardless of technical coding abilities, can use to create on-brand, error-free emails. From there, cumbersome feedback cycles are made easy with our review and approval tool that enables teams to collaborate in real time without lengthy back and forth email threads or chats. And our integrations with leading email service providers, Slack and Trello, eliminate the hassle of copying and pasting updates and code between different technologies while streamlining communication. Once emails are built, we take the manual work out of testing with thorough automated checks for how emails will render across 90 plus email clients and devices. We check for broken images or links, accessibility best practices, loading speeds, spam filter testing, and more. And after an email sent, our email analytics give marketers the subscriber level insights they need to understand what content, calls to action, and other tactics resonate best with their audience so they can make data-driven optimizations to future campaigns and other channels. Now let's take a look at how this works. Welcome to Litmus. Today we'll take a look at one example workflow in Litmus, but our robust integrations let you bring the power of Litmus alongside your preferred tool for building emails, including many ESPs and third-party code editors. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and start a new email in Litmus. So I'm going to go in here and click New Email to start my new email. I am going to call my email Summer Gardening Tips. I'm going to go ahead and pick a template to start my email because I know that I already have an approved template for webinars. So I'm going to go ahead and just get started and save time and not have to recreate everything from scratch. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use our visual editor, which does not require any coding knowledge. I know that I want my webinar to be called Summer Gardening Tips. And I'm going to go ahead and update my subheader too. And I can go ahead and make as many edits here as I want. I can change the text for this button or the link to where it goes. I can go ahead and change this image out if I want to. I'm going to go ahead and select a different photo for this webinar. So you can see my photo updated in real time. So let's say I'm done building my email. I can go ahead and, while I'm still in this builder tool, I can check how my email will render. I can take a look at the individual email previews if I want. This just lets me make sure that I'm on track and ready to have my email reviewed before I enter that step with other stakeholders. So I'm going to go ahead and close this preview. And at this point, I'm done with my email, but I actually want to add a footer. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to our code editor. And I'm going to insert the partial for my marketing approved footer. And that added that footer for me without me having to do any kind of coding work. Okay, so I'm happy with this email and I think it's ready to review with my team. So I am going to go ahead and save my work. Everything is updated. So here I am in Proof, our centralized tool for providing email feedback and approvals. In this demo, I'm going to go ahead and ask my colleague Sam to confirm that I'm using the right logo here. And as soon as I post this comment, Sam is going to be notified via email and/or an instant Slack notification. And as Sam and other stakeholders review the email, they can also provide their approvals. So they can come in here, say that they approve it, and then you can track who has approved your email project. So now I'm going to run a thorough automated check of the elements that matter most in terms of my email making it to the inbox and creating a great subscriber experience once it arrives. In Checklist, I can see how my email renders across popular email clients and devices. And I can review beyond email previews. I can review first impression, preview text, key accessibility elements, and I can even hear how my email sounds in an actual screen reader. I'll check links, check for tracking, check how my email looks when images are blocked, and get a sense for how quickly my email is going to render in terms of loading speed. Once I'm done with this check, I'm going to run a full spam test, and that's going to make sure that my email has the best chance of actually making it to the inbox. Okay, so this is our main analytics view. Here I can see the aggregated performance of my emails. Clicking into an individual report here, you can see here how I can see detailed engagement insights, email clients that are popular with my subscribers, and I can even get geolocation data and export my results if I choose to. So this in-depth subscriber level data is what gives you the insights you need to understand what works and make data-driven marketing optimizations. That concludes our demo. With Litmus, companies across all industries have seen notable success. On average, brands are saving hours on every send, letting them get more emails to market without additional headcount or resources. And they're not sacrificing email quality to save time. Our customers have noted improved email accuracy after making Litmus a part of their workflow. Let's take Zendesk, for example. Zendesk is a CRM company known for building support, sales, and customer engagement software. Zendesk sent more than 500,000 emails in just 6 months, and they were feeling the strain of their tedious email creation and review process. After building an email in their email service provider, Oracle Eloqua, 7 or more stakeholders needed to review that email, including translating it into 12 different languages before it was even ready for pre-send testing. Litmus's integration with Oracle Eloqua transformed Zendesk's email production process, letting them test as they build so they can be confident their emails are ready to be reviewed by all stakeholders. Once they're built, Litmus Proof helped every member of the team, regardless of location, provide feedback in one consolidated place so they can work more collaboratively and have fewer overall review cycles. After an email is approved, they use Litmus Checklist to thoroughly test so that they can send their emails with confidence. And on average, Zendesk saves 3 hours on every email. Given the volume of emails they work with, that saved time really adds up. And then there's Altos, an agency that takes pride in creating bespoke digital marketing solutions for their clients. Altos needed to thoroughly test emails, effectively get feedback from their clients, and understand the performance of each campaign so they could be true strategic advisors. With Litmus, Altos completely transformed their email campaign development, pre-send testing, and review and approval processes, helping them ensure every email they send is a positive reflection of their client's brand. Not only did they cut email development time by 75% with our codeless visual editor, they also used Litmus Email Analytics to understand how subscribers engage with emails, and those insights help them create more effective emails and improve the effectiveness of their clients' other digital marketing efforts as well. As an example, one of their clients noticed a lower click-through rate from an email to a landing page, but when subscribers did click through, their conversion rate was around 80%. Without the ability to see the engagement of emails, their knowledge of the email effectiveness was fuzzy at best. Litmus Email Analytics allowed them to pivot the client's email strategy based on the actual email engagement data and create more effective overall emails. As a result, they saw a 35% increase in open rates. Another customer they worked with was a nonprofit organization who facilitates clothing donations. They used email to experiment with different messaging and determine what resonates best with their target audience. They used email insights to inform the client's social messaging strategy and saw a 24% increase in website traffic from social year over year. As you can see, Litmus helps a wide variety of companies improve their marketing effectiveness and drive results. Litmus works seamlessly alongside any email service provider to completely optimize your pre-send workflow and provides valuable email engagement insights to supplement the data you get in from your email service provider. Litmus also has time-saving integrations with many popular email service providers and technology integrations with Slack and Trello that streamline communication. We offer plans to fit teams of all sizes and needs. We offer monthly or annual billing options, and our plans start at $99 a month. Our enterprise plan is fully customizable and a great fit for agencies and mid-sized to larger organizations. The Litmus solution is intuitive and easy to adopt, empowering teams to start creating more effective emails immediately. Plus, we offer premium support and advanced training for customers on our enterprise plans to ensure they're getting the maximum value from their overall marketing efforts. To get started with Litmus or to learn more, visit litmus.com or drop us a note at hello@litmus.com. Thank you for watching our Tech Talk.